Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. And this is my apo, Belle. And this is my son, John Kevin. Please watch us. We're going to Central London. Come on, let's go. Go, go, go. Together with my other two apos, Nikki and Mateo. Come on.
We're both cousins.
Yeah, they are cousins. Hello guys, andito na kami sa train station dito sa Cheshunt. So, kukuha kami ng train. Papunta kami. Isang ride lang ba tayo, Lex? Ha? Ano? Papuntang ano? Liverpool and then to Circle Line. Okay. Okay, ayun daw. Ayan po ang aming family. Magkakasama kami. Si Everett, si Johnny, si Mateo, si Nikki, si Bjorn, si Lex, at si Bella, the youngest among the family. We are here at Cheshunt Station. Naglakad kami. Bakit kami doon sa tulay na yon? At 3:28 ang aming sakay. Ito na. Guys, eto na kami. Sasakay na ba tayo, Lex? Okay. Okay, pasakay na kami. Mine between the gap and the train. Nikki.
Change for Victoria.
Mateo. Nikki. Guys, we are now heading to London Liverpool Street. And then from there, sasakay kami ng Circle Line. Ang stop namin ay sa Westminster. So, samahan nyo kami. Alam niyo ba guys, dito sa UK, puro train ang sasakyan mo. Pag nagdala ka ng kotse, so get ready ka sa mahal na parking. Kaya dito, puro train. Iba't ibang lines. Guys, andito na kami sa London, Liverpool Street. At sasakay uli kami ng panibagong train. Okay, ayan ang tropa. Andito kami ngayon sa London, Liverpool Street. There are my family. So, saan tayo next, Bjorn? Saan tayo pupunta? Ha? Sasakay uli tayo? Anong papunta naman saan? Sa... Anong line naman tayo, Lex? Lex, anong line tayo, ha? My second time here at Circle Line via Victoria. Dito din tayo sumakay, di ba? Papunta sa ano? Chelsea. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung Circle Line via Victoria. Look at the lines. So many, buhol-buhol. How can I memorize all those things? It's so confusing. So guys, we are here at Liverpool Street. We are going to Circle Line via Victoria. We're waiting for 4 minutes or 3 minutes. Here we are, here we go. We're gonna ride on a train via Circle Line and Victoria Line, via Circle in Victoria Line. Okay, go, go, go. Come on, go, go, go. O sige, mauna ka na sa akin dahil binibidyo ko kayo. Guys, bumaba na kami ng Westminster. Ngayon ay saan ang susunod natin? Saan na tayo? We are here at Westminster. Going out. We're going out now. Hello guys. This is my second time in Big Ben or in Central London with my family this time. I'm here at Big Ben. Hi. Big Ben. Hello. Oh, Nikki, come here. Ooh.
Where are we?
Hi, Big Ben. Say Big Ben.
It's Big Ben from up here
At UK.
in the United Kingdom.
Yeah. There is Bella and Lex in London. Big Ben. And also Mateo
See, I can't see.
and Nikki. Pang-video ako dito. London Eye. London Eye. Ano? Big Ben. Big Ben. Big Ben. May 2025 at UK. That is London Eye. Meron doon. Ayun. Mayroong cargo ship. Cargo ship ba yun? That one is House of Parliament. That one is House of Parliament near the Big Ben. Ayun. Big Ben and the House of Parliament there. Where are you? Oh, don't hide. Hi, we are here at Starbucks near Big Ben. Say hi. Nikki, say hi. Mateo, say hi. Hello. We are here at the Starbucks near Big Ben.
I'm animated now.
I'm here with Mateo. I'm here with Nikki. Nikki.
No, I am.
Nikki, can you please look? Yeah, okay. And there is
Danny.
Everett and Lex and Bella. And there is you. And there is
We're
you.
missing Dad.
So then here we are. Bye for now. Oh, no. Wait. I'm doing this one.
Paano ba ginawa mo? May message.
Andito kami ngayon, nagpahinga muna, napagod sa kalalakad. Ayan. Dito kami sa Starbucks. Guys, hello! Walaan nyo asan ako. Andito ako sa isang iskinita na hindi ko alam kung ano iskinita to. Basta naglakad kami mula sa Big Ben. Kaya minumuna ng kape. Bye! Doon sila Bjorn at sila Lex, Everett, si Mateo, and Nikki, and Bella. Hi guys, andito ako ngayon sa UK at in this spot, you can see there at my back is the Starbucks and you can see up there is the London Eye. See? Bye! There, I can see London Eye. Here. Ayan sila ba Evert, si Bjorn at si Nikki, Mateo, and Johnny. Yan sila. Ayun, ang London Eye. Guys, I'm here again sa London Eye. So, today is May 30, 2025. Hi! There is Bjorn, Nikki, Mateo, and Everett, and Lex there, and Belle, and there is Johnny. So we are here at the foot of London Eye here. Ayan yung Thames River. Sabi ni Jojo, yan daw yung Thames River.
On the ground, we started to our favorite song when you said you looked a mess. I used to have that haircut when I was your age. I actually looked a lot like that. Thank you so much, especially the dancing. A performer. You say what can make this way, my girl. Well, I've got so much honey.
Guys, ayun yung Big Ben. Ayun. Hello guys. Habang naglalakad kami, nakakita kami ng palaro dito. Ang title ay Wind Me to Win. Ang mapapanalunan ay napi. Pati mga bata nag-try. Si Mateo, si Nikki. Ayun, kaya nanalo sila ng napi. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung napi? Yung disposable diaper.
Alrighty, come over our shot. Let's see what you think. Free stickers, very nice. And free napkins.
Oh, you get your
Hard for us to see what you think. There you go.
Ayan, nag-spit din sila. So, ang dami nilang napanalunan na napi, kaya ang size ay extra small para kay Bella.